Hi, this is Glenn Thomas, and welcome to another Gendatarator tutorial. In this one, we're going to continue on from the tutorial we did last time where we created data for a SQL database. In this case, we're going to customize the data going into the database just a little bit and refine the values that are going in. Specifically, we're going to find out about the var values text area and how that can be used to improve your data. Let's take a look at the set of tokens we used last time. Just to refresh everybody's memory, the database structure that we used included a primary key, customer number, first and last name, address, city, state, the date that they joined, and whether or not they're a member of the value club. Now, as we look at the customer number, we can see that the format is 6 digits, which is what the 9s represent, a dash, and then the XX represents 2 random alphabetical characters. In this case, we're going to limit those characters to being a set of codes that only our customers can have. Now, for simplicity, we're going to use directions off of the compass of north, south, east, west, and then northwest, southeast, etc. So first of all, let's go ahead and kind of explain what var is. Var stands for variable, and what it is the substitution that you can use within your token string. For instance, if I go up to here and type in VAR in the braces, then what I'm going to be able to do is go down here and type in values such as N, S, W, E for north, south, east, west. I'll continue on. Northwest, southwest, northeast, and southeast. Now, I'm going to add one more, and that's NA, just in case we've got folks that don't fit into those geographic areas. Now, at this point, we're ready to go ahead and run it. When this runs, it will randomly choose these values and substitute them for this value right here with var. Let's go ahead and take a look and see how that works. We generate, and sure enough, we can see that our customer numbers now fall within these ranges. Now, let's go ahead and look at the fact that this is going to generate 1 or 2 characters based on the fact that we've got N as 1 character and SE as 2 characters. So with that in mind, let's close this down, and we're going to go in here and simply make it a 2-character field. To pad it out, now when we go in here and say generate data, we can see that West takes 2 characters, S takes 2 characters, and it spreads out like that. So the var can be very useful. Now, just to kind of explain, var essentially does the same thing as set. It just gives you a lot more latitude if you're pulling data in from another application or if you need a large block of data. The set token can get kind of long and involved if you're trying to get that embedded down here, but we could have just as easily said parentheses S bar N comma S, or N bar S bar W, etc. Just the same way we did this. They work the same, and if you'll also notice, there's a difference. One uses bars, one uses commas. That gives you some latitude if you've actually got commas within your data or bars within your data. You can alternate from one or the other. Anyway, my name is Glenn Thomas, and I hope you've enjoyed this Gendatarator tutorial, and I hope it's helped.